Hey everyone, Jay at Healthy Lifestyle here. We all know that a healthy diet is crucial for our overall well-being. But did you know that certain foods can actually repair damage to our DNA? That's right, the food we consume has the power to influence the very building blocks of life. We often hear about antioxidants and their benefits, but their role in DNA protection is truly fascinating. These powerful compounds found in many fruits and vegetables can neutralize harmful free radicals that can damage our DNA, leading to mutations and potentially even cancer. In this video, we'll delve into 10 DNA-repairing superfoods that you should consider incorporating into your diet. We'll explore the science behind their benefits and how they can help you live a longer, healthier life. From vibrant berries to leafy greens and beyond, get ready to unlock the secrets to enhancing your cellular health through the power of food. Let's get started. Berries, those vibrant jewels of the produce aisle, are nutritional powerhouses, especially when it comes to DNA protection. They're packed with antioxidants, and among these, anthocyanins stand out as true heroes. These pigments not only give berries their beautiful colors but also possess remarkable antioxidant properties. Anthocyanins work by scavenging free radicals, those unstable molecules that can damage our DNA. Imagine them as tiny sponges, soaking up the harmful byproducts of our metabolism and environmental toxins, preventing them from wreaking havoc on our cells. This protective effect is crucial because DNA damage is a constant threat, and our bodies are constantly working to repair it. Studies have shown that consuming berries regularly can actually reduce DNA damage. For instance, research suggests that blueberries, rich in a specific type of anthocyanin called pterostilbene, can protect against DNA damage caused by oxidative stress, a key contributor to aging and disease. So next time you're looking for a healthy snack, reach for a handful of berries and give your DNA a delicious dose of protection. But the benefits of berries go beyond anthocyanins. They also contain other potent antioxidants like vitamin C, which plays a vital role in neutralizing free radicals and supporting our body's natural DNA repair mechanisms. Vitamin C is essential for the production of collagen, a protein that helps maintain the integrity of our tissues, including our DNA. Moreover, berries are a good source of fiber, which is important for gut health. A healthy gut microbiome is increasingly recognized as a key factor in overall health, including DNA integrity. Fiber acts as a prebiotic, feeding the beneficial bacteria in our gut, which in turn produce compounds that support our immune system and protect against inflammation, a known contributor to DNA damage. So, incorporating berries into your diet is like providing your body with a multi-pronged defense system against DNA damage. Whether it's through their potent antioxidants, vitamin C content, or fiber, berries offer a delicious and effective way to support your DNA health and overall well-being. Enjoy them fresh, frozen, or in smoothies, and experience the remarkable benefits of these tiny but mighty fruits. Leafy greens, often hailed as nutritional powerhouses, are essential for maintaining good health. But did you know they play a crucial role in DNA repair and cell maintenance? One of their key contributions lies in their rich folate content, a B vitamin crucial for DNA replication and repair. Folate, also known as vitamin B9, acts as a coenzyme, assisting in various metabolic processes within our cells, including DNA synthesis and repair. During cell division, DNA needs to be replicated accurately to ensure the new cells receive a complete set of genetic instructions. Folate plays a critical role in this process, helping to prevent errors that can lead to mutations. Furthermore, folate is essential for repairing damaged DNA strands. When our DNA gets damaged by factors like free radicals or UV radiation, folate helps facilitate the repair process, ensuring the integrity of our genetic code. Studies have shown that adequate folate intake is linked to a reduced risk of DNA damage and mutations, which are associated with various health problems, including cancer. But the benefits of leafy greens extend beyond folate. They are abundant in other essential nutrients that contribute to DNA health, such as vitamin C and E, both potent antioxidants. Vitamin C, as we discussed earlier, helps neutralize free radicals and supports collagen production, protecting DNA from oxidative damage. Vitamin E, another powerful antioxidant, protects cell membranes from damage, safeguarding the DNA within. Moreover, leafy greens are rich in chlorophyll, the pigment that gives them their vibrant green color. Research suggests that chlorophyll may have DNA protective properties, potentially inhibiting the activation of carcinogens, substances that can damage DNA and lead to cancer. By incorporating a variety of leafy greens into your diet, you provide your body with a diverse range of nutrients that work synergistically to protect and repair your DNA. From folate's role in DNA replication and repair to the antioxidant power of vitamin C and E and the potential benefits of chlorophyll, leafy greens are truly your DNA's best friend. Enjoy them in salads, smoothies, or simply sautéed as a healthy and delicious way to support your cellular health. Let's move on to another category of DNA-protecting superstars: nuts and seeds. These nutritional powerhouses are packed with essential minerals like selenium and zinc, both critical for maintaining the integrity of our DNA. Selenium acts as a vital component of selenoproteins, a group of enzymes that play a crucial role in repairing oxidative damage to DNA. Essentially, they act like little mechanics, constantly patrolling and repairing our DNA strands that get damaged by everyday processes. Zinc, on the other hand, is essential for the activity of over 300 enzymes in our body, many of which are involved in DNA replication and repair. Zinc deficiency can actually make our DNA more susceptible to damage, highlighting just how crucial this mineral is for DNA health. So, incorporating a variety of nuts and seeds into your diet can be a delicious way to fortify your body with these powerful minerals, supporting your cells in their ongoing mission of DNA maintenance and repair. When it comes to selenium, one nut stands out: Brazil nuts. Just 1 or 2 Brazil nuts a day can provide your body with the recommended daily intake of selenium. Selenium helps repair DNA damage, reduces inflammation, and boosts our immune system. However, consume Brazil nuts in moderation. Nuts and seeds offer fiber, healthy fats, and vitamin E. These nutrients promote overall health and well-being. Incorporate them into your diet for healthy aging and DNA protection. Now let's delve into the world of cruciferous vegetables, a group of veggies known for their potent cancer-fighting properties. While their benefits are numerous, one standout feature is their ability to support DNA repair, thanks to a powerful compound called sulforaphane. Sulforaphane, found abundantly in vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts, acts as a potent activator of the NRF2 pathway. This pathway is like the body's internal defense system, triggering the production of antioxidant enzymes and detoxification processes that protect our cells from damage, including damage to our DNA. Think of sulforaphane as a wake-up call for your cell's natural defense mechanisms, prompting them to gear up and fight off damaging agents that can wreak havoc on our DNA. Studies have shown that sulforaphane can actually enhance DNA repair by increasing the activity of enzymes involved in the repair process. So, by consuming cruciferous vegetables regularly, you're essentially providing your body with a powerful tool to counteract the DNA damage we're exposed to on a daily basis, from environmental toxins to the natural process of aging. To maximize the benefits of sulforaphane, there's a little trick you can employ: activate it. You see, sulforaphane is found in its inactive form, glucoraphanin, within these vegetables. To unlock its full potential, it needs to be converted into sulforaphane in our gut. The magic happens when we chop, chew, or blend these vegetables, which brings glucoraphanin into contact with an enzyme called myrosinase. Myrosinase acts as the key, transforming inactive glucoraphanin into the powerful sulforaphane we want. Interestingly, lightly steaming cruciferous vegetables has been shown to preserve more myrosinase activity compared to boiling, which can destroy this crucial enzyme. However, even if you prefer your veggies cooked, your gut bacteria can still help with the conversion process. So, whether you enjoy them raw, lightly steamed, or roasted, aim to make cruciferous vegetables a regular part of your diet to harness the DNA protective benefits of sulforaphane. Remember, every bite is an investment in your long-term health and longevity. Moving on to a culinary staple with a potent punch: garlic. This aromatic bulb, often used to add flavor to our dishes, also boasts an array of health benefits, including remarkable DNA protective properties. At the heart of garlic's power lies a compound called allicin, responsible for its characteristic pungent aroma. Allicin is produced when garlic is crushed or chopped, and it exhibits potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. These properties are key to protecting our DNA from damage caused by free radicals and chronic inflammation, both of which contribute to aging and disease. But allicin is not alone in its mission. Garlic contains other sulfur-containing compounds such as diallyl sulfide and diallyl disulfide, which also demonstrate DNA protective effects. These compounds have been shown to enhance DNA repair mechanisms, helping to maintain the integrity of our genetic blueprint. So, incorporating garlic into your meals not only adds a burst of flavor, but also provides your body with powerful allies in the fight against DNA damage. To truly harness the DNA protective power of garlic, timing is key. Crushing or chopping garlic and letting it sit for about 10 minutes before cooking allows the enzyme allinase, responsible for converting alline to allicin, to work its magic. This brief waiting period maximizes the formation of allicin, amplifying garlic's health benefits. While cooking garlic can diminish some of its allicin content, it doesn't negate its benefits entirely. Garlic still retains other beneficial compounds, and even partially deactivated allicin can offer protective effects. Aim to incorporate garlic into your meals regularly, whether it's adding it to stir-fries, sauces, soups, or even roasting it whole alongside your favorite vegetables. Remember, a little garlic can go a long way in supporting your DNA health and overall well-being. And there you have it, another powerful food in our arsenal against DNA damage. By embracing these dietary strategies, we can empower our bodies to fight back against damage, promoting longevity and vitality from the inside out. Pomegranates are a nutritional powerhouse, packed with antioxidants that protect our DNA. These ruby red jewels contain polyphenols, crucial for DNA repair. L-argitannins, a key polyphenol, break down into urolithins, potent antioxidants. Urolithins combat free radicals, protecting our DNA. Pomegranates also offer cardiovascular benefits and more. Now let's delve into how pomegranates, specifically their L-argitannin-derived urolithins, contribute to DNA repair. Our DNA is under constant attack, leading to breaks and mutations. Urolithins enhance enzymes involved in DNA repair pathways. They boost repair efficiency, maintaining genome stability. Enjoying pomegranate arils provides nutrients that support your DNA. Tomatoes, often relegated to salads and sauces, are nutritional powerhouses. Their rich lycopene content gives them their vibrant red color. Lycopene is a powerful antioxidant, protecting our DNA from damage. Its antioxidant capacity is higher than beta-carotene and vitamin E. Lycopene neutralizes free radicals, reducing DNA damage. This effect is seen in skin, lungs, prostate, and breasts. Tomatoes also contain vitamin C and other beneficial compounds. Beyond its antioxidant prowess, lycopene supports DNA repair mechanisms. It enhances enzymes that repair damaged DNA. Lycopene influences cell signaling pathways for DNA repair. Studies show lycopene impacts genes involved in DNA repair. Cooked tomatoes are a bioavailable source of lycopene. Enjoy tomatoes in various dishes to support DNA health. Fatty fish might not be the first food that comes to mind for DNA health. These underwater wonders are brimming with omega-3 fatty acids, crucial for DNA integrity. Omega-3s, specifically EPA and DHA, must be obtained through our diet. They are incorporated into cell membranes, including those around our DNA. Omega-3s also exhibit potent anti-inflammatory properties. By mitigating inflammation, omega-3s help protect DNA. Omega-3 fatty acids protect DNA by maintaining cell membrane integrity and reducing inflammation. They guard against oxidative damage from free radicals. DHA is particularly effective in preventing oxidative DNA damage. Omega-3s may also help maintain telomere length, protecting chromosomes. Eating fatty fish like salmon and mackerel supports DNA health. Plant-based sources like flax seeds and walnuts also boost omega-3 intake. Now, who doesn't love a little bit of dark chocolate? But beyond that satisfyingly rich taste, dark chocolate, particularly the kind with a high cocoa content, harbors a secret weapon for longevity flavonoids. These potent antioxidants are like little bodyguards for your DNA. You see, our cells are under constant attack from free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage DNA, leading to mutations and potentially even cancer. Flavonoids in dark chocolate effectively neutralize these free radicals, preventing them from wreaking havoc on your DNA. But that's not all. Research has shown that flavonoids can also enhance the body's natural DNA repair mechanisms. Think of it like this. Flavonoids not only prevent the damage, but also help to fix it when it does occur, preserving the integrity of your genetic code. So, the next time you reach for a sweet treat, make it a piece of dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa. You'll be indulging in a delicious way to support your DNA health and potentially increase your lifespan. Now I know what you might be thinking. Does this mean I can eat all the chocolate I want? Well, not quite. While dark chocolate offers these amazing benefits, moderation is still key. The type of dark chocolate you choose matters as well. Opt for varieties with a high cocoa content, ideally 70% or higher. These chocolates are richer in flavonoids and lower in added sugar, which can have detrimental effects on health. Don't be fooled by claims of alkalized or Dutch processed chocolate. While these processes create a milder flavor, they can also reduce the flavonoid content. Look for dark chocolate that's minimally processed to reap the full DNA-protecting benefits. Remember, incorporating dark chocolate into your diet should be part of a holistic approach to health and longevity. Combined with a balanced diet, regular exercise, and other healthy habits, this guilt-free indulgence can be a delicious addition to your longevity toolkit. Green tea, a beverage enjoyed for centuries for its calming and restorative properties, holds a powerful secret for longevity catechins. These potent antioxidants, particularly one called EGCG, are the key to green tea's remarkable DNA protective effects. Similar to flavonoids in dark chocolate, catechins in green tea act as potent antioxidants, scavenging free radicals and preventing them from damaging the DNA within our cells. This protective effect is crucial in preventing mutations that can lead to aging and age-related diseases. But what sets catechins apart is their ability to enhance the activity of enzymes involved in DNA repair. These enzymes are like the body's natural repair crew, constantly working to fix any damage that occurs to our DNA. By boosting the efficiency of these repair mechanisms, catechins ensure that our DNA remains intact, protecting the genetic blueprint that dictates our cellular function and overall health. The beauty of green tea lies not only in its potency, but also in its versatility. You can enjoy it hot or cold, as a refreshing beverage throughout the day, or even incorporate it into smoothies and other recipes. To reap the maximum DNA-protecting benefits, aim to consume 2 to 3 cups of green tea daily. The good news is that green tea contains a moderate amount of caffeine, so you can enjoy it throughout the day without disrupting your sleep. However, it's important to note that brewing methods can influence the catechin content. Steeping your green tea for 3 to 5 minutes in water that's just below boiling is ideal, as overly hot water can degrade some of the beneficial compounds. Whether you prefer it plain or with a touch of honey or lemon, make green tea a staple in your daily routine and experience its remarkable DNA repairing and longevity boosting benefits. So there you have it, 10 DNA repairing superfoods that can help you live a longer, healthier life. Remember, incorporating these foods into your diet is not about restriction, but about making conscious choices that nourish your body at a cellular level. By prioritizing these foods, you're not just fueling your body, you're providing it with the tools it needs to protect and repair your DNA, the very essence of your being. And that's a powerful investment in your health and longevity. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more insightful content on health, nutrition, and longevity. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the fascinating world of science-backed wellness.